Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you a game. Like, if you watch my YouTube video, you will know that I have a Slither.io game, right? So, I'm making another kind of Slither.io game. So you'll there's two types. And I'm creating two types, so this is the second type. And let's get started. Okay, so you first want to delete the Scratch Cat and then paint a Slither.io snake. You can change to whatever color you want, but I just like to choose orange. And then you just make a circle. If you press shift, you make a complete perfect circle. After you do that, I'll just no outline. You can choose if you want outline or no. Yeah, basically you can choose whatever. And then you just go to this paintbrush button. Use this, and then turn it into white for its eyeballs. For its giant eyebuzz. Oh yeah, you gotta move it to the center. You got to. Cause if you don't, it will just be very bad. You gotta move the circle into the center first. Okay, and then the eye is too big. Okay, I'll use this side. After you make those eyes, giant eyes for the Slither.io, you let the paint down. Let that size turn smaller. Okay, this is the Slither.io, my own Slither.io. Not very good, but you can take more time drawing it. And then you just, oh yeah, and remember you got to face its eyes in this direction. It's in the middle. Sorry. It's on the middle. Done. Okay. Now you just duplicate this. After you duplicate this, you gotta delete the eyes. And then done with its picture, and yeah. Now what you gotta do is to get the one click button and say forever. Create a clone myself. So I'll just create a clone. Like keep creating. After I do that, you get another one click. And then you get the forever button. And then what you do is you get the motion, move 10 steps, and then you just point towards mouse pointer. And then you just get another one click, another forever loop, and then no. You get when I start as a clone button. So yeah, when you start as a clone, create a clone myself. So when it starts as a clone, we should let it wait 1 second and then delete itself. One more thing before testing it. We got to first switch its costume. I'm switching mine to the eye costume first, and then I'll switch to the body. And then complete the first part. We just did it. We completed the first part. That was easy, right? Yeah. So let's go test it. Oh. Whoa. That's pretty fast. You can slow down speed if you want. like to 5 or something like that. Yeah, like that. And after you do that, we gotta make those little dots for it to eat. So we need to make one variable first is the size of the spirit. And after we do that, let's go on and paint the dot. Dot. Okay, we got painted in the middle. That's like, yeah. Okay, and then we get this circle for a glowy effect. We use this. Wait. Yeah, this is glowy effect. Looks like a dot is kind of glowing. See the effect? Yeah, it looks like it's glowing. And that's our dot. Let's go code the dot. So in code the dot, we need it to like duplicate. Yeah. So we're gonna say, how many dots you want here? And you type the dots you want on the screen at a time. I'm just gonna say 50. So if we do repeat 50 or whatever you want, we just put a quick one myself. After we do that, you just get the one click flag, and then you just set. Wait, I was get confused by one click flag and my stars clone. Okay, so just do one stars clone, and then the dots can be in any color. So we can just change color effects by pick random -100 to 100. So now after we do that, we can change its size. So change size by, just duplicate it and let's see its size. I think mine's smallest dot should be 50. It's the biggest dot should be, let me see, for mine's. Yeah, it should be 150. So we do 50, 150. Well, your size might be different, so you can change yours to whatever size you want, like whatever size, or that fits yours. Oh, and the costume thingy, the red dot. The red dot shouldn't be any other color. Once red can change into most other colors, so that's best. Okay. Oh yeah, we forgot something else. The go to random position. That's very important. So let's test it out now. Yeah. So when it starts, there's lots. I think I should change mine. 20. See, there's a lot of dots. Like literally a lot. Yeah, you can do whatever color you want. And after you do this, you can go ahead and change the background if you want to black. Or whatever color you want. I just choose black because it's the normal screen of Slither.io. Yeah, good. That's what I like. Yeah. It looks like Cedrario now. And after we do that, let's go get coding some more. Okay, alright, so after we do this, we need to code it to if it get eaten by the Cedrario snake or worm or whatever. Well, I think it's a snake. I think, and then we should let it like eat it and change the size. So let's say if touching Spirit 1, we should let it like swallow it. So let's just first broadcast a message. Let's message it. Message it. Got eat or whatever. After we do that, we just delete it. Okay, now go to this part. So when it receives got eat, okay, when it receives got eat, it should change size by, I don't know, 1. Like, okay, and the size we should put 1 second and put size on the side instead. And we should set size to 0. I mean, yeah, we should be when it begins. I'm gonna say set size to wait. I'm getting all confused. Wait, okay, yeah. Let's set size to 40 when it begins. Look at it. Okay, so it's very, very small. I don't get it. I do get it, but okay, when it begins, it's super duper big. And I got a problem. The tail just literally breaks. And the size, we gotta do something else. Set size to, well, size. So when size is 40, okay, that's enough. Let's just so weird. I don't get it. Really don't get it. Oh. Change color effect by oh yeah, so we should change it by 0.1. Its head doesn't change. Oh yeah, we never even change a code for its head. So we just set forever and just duplicate this clone thing and then delete this. Delete this thing. Hi. You got to delete clone, and then we just delete the switch costume. And after we do that, it's okay. We gotta do something else. We gotta create another variable named break or whatever. And then the sprite thingy. I'm gonna set it to 0.5. After we do that, we should say change bring by 0.05, and we change the string. Yeah, wait, and then I think it should be okay. I just don't get it. Why don't the dot delete? I don't get it. Wait. Or maybe I need to wait. Don't get it. Broadcast got E. We sure did just repeat. Okay, let's just try this code instead. Yes, it works. Whoa, it's getting very fat. Super fat. Super fat. Oh, too crazy. Things changed by 0.05 is good. And the sizes should be 0.02. And we just gotta keep messing with these codes until you find the perfect one. Well, I'm getting super big. I don't get it. Ah, 0.01. 0.005. Just gotta keep messing with this code. Okay, 0.001. Confusing. I'm gonna see if it get bigger. See what the effect is. So you can wait like for a super long time. I'm just testing it out. Okay, it does get bigger. These codes are not. You can change the size and whatever the thing to how many things you want. You can just keep changing it and see which one fits you. Okay, so next part, we gotta see how many dots it eat or whatever dot. Okay, spirit 1 dot, and it's dot. Set dot to 0, and then you're gonna change dot by 1 when it eats a dot. Yeah. After we do that, we can also do a high score, make a variable, cloud variable, and then we're just gonna say high score. After we do that, we just the high score thing. We gotta do the high, so we gotta try high score. So one click, whoever if high score is lower than the dot variable, then I will just set high score to dot. Okay, so now the height, see, it changes together. When I start, I get 1, and see the high score. I need to beat my own high score, and then the high score will go with me. Okay, there's something some people might like, some people might not like. Some people like want to see who did the high score name. So we can also do that too if we want to. It's optional. Okay, so high score person. I'm not good at spelling. Okay. High score person. And the high score person. If high score bigger than dot, set high score to dot. But we're also gonna set high score person to the username. So now the high score person. I need to beat my own high score. So after I beat my own high score, ooh, see it says Lucas O has a new high score. I mean my username, and yeah. One more thing, my YouTube channel is not all coding. Like, it's not. Okay, so we're just done. You can keep changing with those codes right here. Because these codes are saying once a dot how big will it turn, and yeah, how long it will turn. And Scratch clone limit is like, I don't know, 300. So if it gets too long, the channel will just it'll just break. It'll just break down. And so, hope you enjoy my video. This is the second version of Sudrayo. So, bye.